We have several wonderful estates in this airport houses. I mean this Lekki-Epe International Airport houses. There are several of them, but let me mention a few of them so that you can take advantage of it. In no particular order, I will just mention some of them. Number one on my list is the Tiara Estate Phase 2, which is actually on the airport road. We also have the famous Green and Smart City, which is also on the airport road. Then when you come out from the airport road, we have other estates in this houses too. We have the Amen Estate Phase 3. We have the Tiara Estate Phase 1. We have the Parliament Estate, which is also in that same houses. And also, we have the Lekki Aviation Town, which is also in these houses. Then not far, we also have the Tiwa Garden Phase 2. And also not too far also, we have the Aarizon Estate. And in this same Aarizon houses, we have the newest estate in town, which is the Lekki-Avana Bungalow and Resort. It's the latest baby in town. See, this axis is a top-notch axis, and any wise investor, which I know you are, is to position yourself and take advantage of owning property around this Lekki-Epe axis, especially in this Lekki-Epe International Airport axis. I would strongly recommend you give us a call. Let's talk business together. Let's assist you in owning property in this axis. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video so that I can give you more updates. Encourage us by just liking this video and sharing it with your friends so that they can see what is happening in Nigeria. Good things are happening in Nigeria, not only bad things. And I know you prefer to share good news, not bad news. So share this video with your friends, share with your friends, especially you in diaspora, you in Canada, you in UK, you in Australia. I'm talking to you especially. You need to invest in this part. Don't just work all your life abroad and without investing in Nigeria. Do this now. Let's assist you. Call the number on the screen. Let's assist you. My name is Dennis Ison. We help Nigerians in diaspora to invest properly in Lagos real estate. Give us a call. Let's make this happen for you.